Most people think chainsaws were created for cutting trees. But in the 1780s, Scottish doctors John Aitken and James Jeffrey invented them for a brutal childbirth procedure called symphysiotomy. When a baby became trapped during labor, doctors would cut through the mother's pelvic bone to widen the birth canal. The original chainsaw was a small hand-cranked device used on fully conscious women without anesthesia. Many suffered horrific pain, blood loss, infections, and some died from the procedure. Years later, the invention was redesigned for cutting wood, becoming the terrifying machine we know today.